Before the world asks anything of you, choose hope. Welcome, beautiful soul. Before the notifications, the responsibilities, or the endless to-do lists, there is this quiet moment. A moment that belongs only to you. And today, in this sacred space, choose hope. Not because you know exactly what the day will bring, but because hope opens doors that fear never can. Take a slow, gentle breath in and breathe out with ease. Again, breathe in fresh possibility. And breathe out anything that feels heavy. Allow your shoulders to soften. Relax your face. Let your heart become still. Close your eyes and imagine yourself standing at the beginning of a beautiful new day. The morning sky is slowly changing colors. The soft golden light touches everything around you. And for a moment, there is nothing you need to fix, nothing you need to rush toward. Just this moment, just this breath. Imagine walking along a peaceful path surrounded by nature. With every step, you feel a sense of openness returning to your heart. You notice the little wonders around you. The warmth of the sunlight. The gentle movement of the trees. The peaceful rhythm of life continuing all around you. And as you walk, remember this. Every morning is an invitation to meet life with fresh eyes. Some of the most beautiful parts of life arrive quietly. A kind conversation, a new opportunity, a small moment of joy that you almost missed because you were looking for something bigger. Life is always offering little signs of beauty and possibility. When your heart is open, you begin to notice what was always there. So today, allow yourself to move through the world with curiosity and wonder. Like a traveler discovering a new landscape, ready to welcome the unexpected gifts this day may bring. As the morning light begins to spread across the sky, imagine that same gentle light filling your mind and your spirit. Today is unwritten. It carries opportunities that have not yet revealed themselves. Beautiful conversations waiting to happen. Unexpected smiles. Simple joys. Little miracles that often arrive quietly. You don't need to chase every blessing. Many are already making their way toward you. Repeat softly in your heart. I wake up expecting wonderful things. Today welcomes me with kindness. Opportunities find their way to me. My heart is open to joy. I notice beauty wherever I go. Take another peaceful breath. Imagine walking through your day surrounded by calm confidence. People respond with warmth. The right words come easily. New ideas appear naturally. Even ordinary moments become meaningful because you are present enough to receive them. The universe has countless ways of surprising you. Sometimes through an unexpected opportunity. Sometimes through laughter. sometimes through a message you've been waiting for. Sometimes through the peaceful feeling that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. Repeat after me. Wonderful things are unfolding for me today. I welcome meaningful opportunities. I attract kind people and positive experiences. I am grateful before the blessings arrive. Happiness flows toward me with ease. Now imagine your heart like the morning sun. With every breath, it grows brighter. Not because life is perfect, but because gratitude illuminates what has always been there. Feel appreciation for this new day. For your breath. For your strength. For every chance to begin again. The more gratitude you carry, the more beauty you begin to notice. Life responds to an open heart. Repeat these affirmations slowly. I welcome abundance in all its beautiful forms. I deserve joyful experiences. Love surrounds me wherever I go. Peace guides my thoughts. I trust this day to bring exactly what I need. Everything is working together for my highest good. Take another deep breath. Smile gently. Carry this peaceful expectation with you. walk into today believing that something beautiful is waiting around the next corner. Because when you begin your morning with hope, your heart becomes ready to recognize every blessing that was already looking for you. And remember, a beautiful life is not built only through the big moments. It is created in the quiet mornings, the gentle smiles, the small acts of kindness, and the moments when you choose to believe that something good is possible. Thank you for sharing these moments with us. If this meditation brought you peace, leave a heart in the comments to say, "Today, I welcome wonderful things." May your day be filled with unexpected kindness, meaningful opportunities, and quiet moments of happiness. Have a beautiful day.